Good morning, my dears. Hope you all are safe and good at your home. Yes, today's topic is mitochondria. Mito, which means thread. Chondria, which means granular. So, mitochondria are filamentous. Filamentous, which means single thread-like structure or thin flexible series. Granular, which means made up of small moisture molecules. Cytoplasmic organelles. Which, see here, little organ, ribosome, RNA, mitochondria, like that. Okay, so little organs that are present in cytoplasm of cells. Little organs that are present in cytoplasms of cells. So the main cytoplasmic organelle is mitochondria. The main cytoplasmic organelle is mitochondria in this cell. Okay. So therefore, mitochondria is in cytoplasm of cells made up of small moisture molecules. It is main cytoplasmic organelle. Looks like thread-like structure or thread-like flexible series. Can you understand, my dears? Mitochondria was discovered by Kolliker in 1857. Listen, my dears. See, okay. Mitochondria was discovered by Kolliker in 1857 as granular structure. Granular structure, which means collection of granules in striated muscles. Repeating functional, striated muscles having repeating functional unit. Repeating function units called striated muscles. So, mitochondria, which means plural. Okay, mitochondrion singular. Mitochondria are organelle within the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, which means cell have nucleus enclosed with a nuclear envelope. Eukaryotic cells, which means cells have nucleus enclosed with a nuclear envelope. So this eukaryotic cells produce adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which means adenosine triphosphate. ATP form energy of the cell. Therefore, for this reason, the mitochondria is referred to as powerhouse of the cell. Cellகளின் சக்தி நிலையம். Okay, powerhouse of the cell. This is very important. One more question. Mitochondria vary or be different in size from 0.5 μm to 2.0 μm. So the mitochondria have or contain 60 to 70% of protein. Okay, then 25 to 30% of lipid. Lipid, which means molecules contain hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Dears, this is also 1 mark, important 1 mark. This is also. Okay. Then 5 to 7% of RNA. RNA, which means ribonucleic acid. The small amount of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. Small amount of DNA and mineral. This is also important 1 mark question. Next topic is structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria has both membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Each membrane is 60 to 70 Armstrong. This is a thin-like structure. It is very 1 mark question, very important 1 mark question part. Mitochondria has both membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. So each membrane is 60 to 70 Armstrong thin. Okay. So the outer mitochondrial membrane is smooth and freely permeable. Okay. Gas to pass. Listen, my dears. Allowing a liquid gas to pass through it. Permeable, which means allowing a liquid or gas to pass through it. Okay. So outer membrane let the gas and water to pass through it. Okay. For only small molecules. So mitochondria contains enzymes, proteins and lipids. Porine molecules to form channels. Okay, porine molecules form channel. Okay, see, these are molecules. These are molecules for passage of molecules through it. So, porine molecules form channels for passage of molecules through it. Inner membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane is semi-permeable membrane. It regulates the passage of materials into and out. Okay, out of mitochondria. Listen, my dears. Inner mitochondrial membrane is semi-permeable membrane. Okay, it regulates the passage of materials into and out of mitochondria. See here. Food materials out and in. Okay, both also. Okay, food materials out and in, both also regulated by inner membrane. Okay, it richly are mainly carriers enzyme. Okay, it richly are mainly carrier enzymes, proteins. Okay, so it contains 80% of proteins and lipid. proteins and lipids. Listen my dears, inner mitochondrial membrane is semi-permeable membrane. It regulates the passage of materials in and out of mitochondria. See here, the food materials out and in both also regulated by which one? Inner membrane. So it richly or mainly carry enzymes, proteins. Okay. So 80% it contains 80% of protein and lipids. Cristae. Inner membrane gives rise to see here finger-like projection called cristae. Listen my dears, inner membrane gives rise to finger-like projection called cristae. Finger-like projection, cristae from where? Inner membrane. So, cristae is formed and give, which means increase the area, surface area. So, more surface area. Okay, that whole variety of enzymes. See this diagram. So the inner membrane gives rise to finger-like projection. Finger-like projection is called cristae. Okay, so cristae is formed and give increase more surface area. So that called varieties of enzyme. So the surface area that holds varieties of enzymes. So intermitochondrial membrane here. Intermitochondrial membrane bear which means form. Okay, form of oxysome. Okay, regularly spaced, tiny rocket shaped. Okay, tenicoid paathirukom illaya, adu pola irukum adoda shape. So it is particles. Inner mitochondrial membrane bear minute, regularly spaced, tiny rocket shaped particles. Oxysomes it involve ATP synthesis, adenosine triphosphate, produce adenosine triphosphate. See here, F1 head stalk. Stalks mean stick like kambu pola. Okay, ma'am. F0 face. This is very important 2 mark question pa. So oxysome this is involved to ATP. Yeah, adenosine triphosphate to produce. Okay, this is F1 head stalk which means stick like structure and F0 base. Matrix which means gelatinous space. See here, gelatinous space. Okay, it is a complex or more mixture of protein and lipids. Matrix layers which means contains enzymes for Krebs cycle. Okay, then mitochondrial ribosomes 70S. Small organelles already we saw that. Okay, then tRNA, deoxyribonucleic ribonucleic acid and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. tRNA, T ribonucleic acid and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Matrix is a gelatinous complex or more mixture of protein and lipids. Okay, so the matrix layer contains enzymes for Krebs cycle. Okay, then the mitochondrial ribosome 70S, mitochondrial ribosome 70S, and tRNA and DNA. Listen my dears, transfer ribonucleic acid and DNA, thread-like structure. Okay. The next topic is functions of mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria is the main organ for the cell respiration. Mitochondria help in the respiration. Okay, so mitochondria is the main organelle for the cell respiration. Mitochondria produce more ATP molecules. Therefore, it is called powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory. ATP factory of cell. Okay, this is very important part. Mitochondria is the main organelle for cell respiration. It produces more ATP molecules. So it is called powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory. It helps the cells to maintain or control normal concentration or action power. Okay, power of calcium and ions. Listen, it helps the cells to maintain or control of normal concentration or action power of calcium and ions. So it regulates the metabolic activity of cell. So metabolic activities means metabolism, which means functions, activities. So mitochondria regulates the functions and activities of cells. Types of respiration. Okay, respiration involves exchange of gases. Between organism and external environment. Okay, so listen my dears, respiration involves exchange of gases between organism and external environment. Plants gets O2. Plants gets O2 from environment. Plants release CO2. So, plant release carbon dioxide and water vapor. Water vapor from Okay. So this exchange gases is external. External respiration in plants. In plants, it is a physical process. Dear children, plants gets O2 from environment. Okay. Then plants release CO2 and water vapor for photosynthesis. So this exchange of gases is external respiration in plants. In plants it is a physical process. So plants and we both. Okay. So like plants and organism also living organism. So continuous of this topic is in screen teaching. Okay. So my dears, this is very important 7 mark question. So both videos are very important 7 mark question. So don't skip the video. Listen and watch the video thoroughly. Take hint notes. Thank you.